In this video, I'll show you how to organize chats in Claude AI step by step. This is a quick and simple way to keep your conversations easier to manage. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already signed into Claude and on the main screen. One of the easiest ways to organize chats in Claude is by using projects, which are separate workspaces that keep their own chat history and knowledge together. Projects are available to all users, including free accounts. If I want to organize an existing conversation, I'll open the chat I want to sort first. Next, I'll click the drop-down arrow next to the chat name at the top of the conversation. From that menu, I'll select Add to Project. A window will appear where I can browse or search for the project I want, and then I'll click the correct project to move the chat there. If I don't already have a project set up, I'll go to the Projects section and click Plus New Project. Then I'll enter the project details, create it, and start adding chats there, so related conversations stay grouped together. If I want quicker access to an important project, I can star it. I can do that either from the Projects page using the three-dot menu, or from inside the project by clicking the star icon. Once it's starred, it will appear more prominently in the left side panel for faster access. If I want to clean things up even more, I can also archive a project. To do that, I'll open the project, click the three dots in the upper right corner, and confirm that I want to archive it. Archived projects move out of the main list, which helps keep my workspace less cluttered. So the main idea is simple. I can organize my Claude chats by moving related conversations into projects, starring the ones I use most, and archiving older projects when I no longer need them front and center. And that's it. My chats are now organized in Claude AI and much easier to manage. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.